Top news headlines. Coronavirus cases in India rise to 5,734, 540 new patients, 17 deaths in 24 hours. And we'll have many body bags if we don't behave, says WHO chief on Trump's criticism. A very good afternoon. Welcome to Times of Manipur. I'm ALBINA RIAMEI. Let's get the news rolling. Coronavirus cases in India went past the 5,500 mark on Thursday. The Ministry of Health updated the latest COVID-19 tally in the country to 5,734 as per a media report. The figure includes 5,095 active cases, 473 patients who have been cured or discharged, and 166 deaths. As per the Health Ministry data, there have been 540 fresh COVID-19 cases and 17 deaths in the last 24 hours. Maharashtra continues to be the worst hit state with 1,135 active positive cases. Tamil Nadu closely follows with second highest COVID-19 active patients at 690. Delhi's tally has risen to 669 active cases. This comes a day after the Delhi government on Wednesday sealed 20 COVID-19 hotspots across the national capital. The administration said that no movement of people will be allowed in those areas. At least 11 Indians have died of COVID-19 in the United States, with another 16 testing positive for the infection, which has claimed more than 14,000 lives and afflicted more than 4 lakh people in the US. According to a media report, all Indian citizens who have succumbed to the deadly infection in the US are male, with 10 of them from New York and New Jersey area. 4 of the victims are said to be taxi drivers in New York City. The head of the World Health Organization gave a strident defense of his agency's handling of the coronavirus pandemic on Wednesday in response to US President Donald Trump's criticism and suggestions that Washington could review its funding for the agency, a media report said. WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus called for unity and a halt to politicization of the global health crisis, specifically urging China and the United States to show honest leadership. Tedros said he expected US funding to continue with traditional bipartisan support. Considering the global emergency and COVID-19 pandemic, BK Group Enterprise has redesigned a low-cost body disinfection chamber, BDC, to help and support the preparedness and response against COVID-19 pandemic. The prototype will help control the outbreak in the state Manipur by disinfecting the people on time, a press release said. BDC-01 prototype is a low-cost body disinfection chamber, BDC, with an automatic sensor attached to it. This prototype can be implemented in front of the offices, community entrance, lakai or local areas, marketplaces, point of entry, hotels, police stations, hospitals, schools, colleges, universities, or any public places, even after the lockdown, to stop the further spread of the disease. Now we have a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Khanghanjaba Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited na Hogzik Oiriba Khudong Chadba Kaya Sigi Yenglaga Miyam Gidamag Hospital Asigi Maternity Ward Pung Kunmari Hangduna Miyam Githawal Taujaragani Adumakpu Hospital Asigi Atopa Department Singdi Service Lepchugani Hospital Asida Laktingai Mamangda Makhada Pizariba contact number Asida Hanana appointment Lobiu Amadi patient ka Mui Amadagi Hena Loina Biraktanaba Khanghanjari Jariba Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, Rim Southgate Kombinai Kaitel, contact number 8258967890.
Sangai Services Private Limited, Yellow Mida Thabak Pirasi, ꯊꯕꯛꯇ ꯆꯤꯜꯍꯥꯎ ꯊꯤꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯣꯝ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯅ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯦ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁꯦꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯠ ꯂꯤꯃꯤꯇꯦꯗ ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯟꯃꯤ ꯅꯦꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯐꯪꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯣꯡꯅ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯀꯣꯜ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯅ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯟꯃꯤ ꯅꯦꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁꯦꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯠ ꯂꯤꯃꯤꯇꯦꯗꯅꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯈꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯗꯤ any type of construction driver and home tutor available housekeeping and house cleaning pest control catering service electrician carpenter plumber electronic repairing haibadi fridge AC water purifier asina chingbasing semjari amadi any type of labors available akupa morol gidama contact tobiyu Sangai Services Private Limited Uripok Torang Mamlekai Manipur 795001 ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ contact number 7005071707 ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ 7005112624 ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ email ID sangaiservices@gmail.com
Welcome back. NKC Minister Tribal Affairs and Hills Fisheries Minister in charge Tamenglong and None District on COVID-19 and Awangbaw Newmai MLA 52 Tamay constituency accompanied by Gaidon Kamay former President UNC Aday Paumay and John PRO to Gaikangam MLA 54 Nungba constituency visited Longmai district yesterday to look after the grievances of the people of the district amid the COVID-19 pandemic. A meeting was also held in the chamber of the Deputy Commissioner. Gino Kamay, member ADC, handed over ₹1 lakh to the district administration officials during the meeting to help fight against the COVID-19 outbreak. After the meeting, the team visited Longmai None Bazaar and interacted with the representatives of different civil society organizations and leaders of different villages. Minister KC also handed over ₹10,000 each for Longmai Bazaar Board, RNYOM Longmai Luangrian leaders and Rongmai Lu Puam women leaders. The minister also distributed masks and sanitizers to them. The Ragailong Youth Club RYC and Ragailong Women's Society RWS Imphal distributed 2 kgs of rice per person and 250 grams of dal to 982 non-residents staying in Ragailong village yesterday, provided by the government. The item distribution was done under the guidance of District Administration Imphal East and the Ragailong Paikai. The distribution was carried out by maintaining social distance and by following the government advisories. Lok Jana Shakti Party LJP National Vice President Women's Cell Northeast in charge, Ruchida Sharma, through her family donated edible items to 60 staff members of TOMTV yesterday. Ruchida said she donated the items to the channel staff to thank and encourage their work amid the COVID-19 pandemic. TOMTV editor Jit Ningombam, on behalf of the channel staff, expressed gratitude to Ruchida for her kind gesture. Rongmai Naga Council Manipur NL today stated that 11 minority villages, 7 Rongmai villages, 1 Chiru village, 2 Aimol villages and 2 Kom villages located in the corner of southern Manipur Loktak project area, Kangni subdivision Hanglap constituency, Churachandpur district have been deprived of proper essential relief materials during the coronavirus pandemic lockdown. A release from the council further stated that the distribution of 4 kgs of rice per head as declared by the Chief Minister of Manipur has not been maintained for the above-mentioned villages. The council appealed to the concerned department to look into the matter. Education Minister Dr. Thokchom Radeshyam said that online classes for postgraduate students in respect of Dana Manjuri University and 6th semester of Manipur Technical University have already started. He added that extra classes for students belonging to lower classes from class 1 to 12 will be conducted during the summer vacation. The minister was addressing the media in his chamber at New Secretariat, Imphal yesterday. He highlighted the steps and measures taken up by the government to address the concerns arising out of the shutdown of educational institutions in the state because of the lockdown imposed to break the chain of infection and control the spread of coronavirus disease COVID-19. He added that the Department of Education has issued possible links like the Diksha e-Pathshala, NROER, Swayam and YouTube channels of NIOS and CBSE from where study materials in e-contents can be availed. YouTube channels with local contents can also be browsed through NCERT Manipur and Department of Education Schools Manipur. Additional web links prepared for each class was also uploaded from today.
Class 12 की 10 परीक्षा लोय हो रहे but 11 की कोई परीक्षा सी हनमगी तौरकम परीक्षा ता होद्रे खरा तौर लोय होद्रे but मसी कोई नहान मयाम खनरकान कोई की एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट की ऑफिसर सिंह अदि हानगी रिटायर एक्सपर्ट सिंह अदु एजुकेशनलिस्ट सिंह मयाम तानरे काना तानरगा अदि कोई ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ने कोई मिनिस्टर सिंह मयाम खरा तानरा मतुंगना कोई ना 11 सिमा दी प्रमोशन पिथोक से ना कोई याना बट तो वो कैबिनेट तांगतंग दी कोई हना की कैबिनेट तो बुका ना पे उठोगा मोई सिमा कोई अंगांग सिंगे माई पाखतनवा कोई प्रकाशी क्लास 11 की से कोई प्रमोशन पी ऑलमोस्ट अदमा याना रे लेरे क्लास 11 की सिमा
Home Department Government of Manipur has directed all government employees who are in possession of the National Food and Security Act (NFSA) cards to surrender their cards by contacting the offices of the concerned deputy commissioners within 1 week. This was informed in an office memorandum from the State Home Department. Under the supervision of local MLA and Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayanta Kumar, essential edible items were distributed to 240 households under ward number 11, polling number 12 by 17 in Kesamthong constituency. Youths of Arumbam Leirak of Nauremthong, Kulen Laikai, Imphal West today, in support of government's COVID-19 lockdown, distributed essential edible items to the local residents. Local committees of Changam Dabi Gram Panchayat under the supervision of former MLA of Andro constituency, Th. Siam Kumar distributed essential commodities to every household of polling station number 34, 35, 36, 37 and 38. Youth Progressive Club Yaripok Singa and Self-Empowerment Group of Society also distributed essential goods to the household under the jurisdiction of the local club. Yaripok Municipal Council Ward Number 7 Councillor G. Ingocha Sharma and Ward Number 5 Councillor S. M. Dilip also distributed essential goods to the people of their respective wards. Again, let's take a short commercial break.
Hidak oina amadi thau oina animak sizinaba yaraba sangbrai thau fangbiragani. Sangbrai pambidagi sungba organic oiraba amadi side effect leitraba thau asina hiram kayada kanaba piri. Nungsang, laikoi, haksang chikpa, laihau, apomba, phuri, samkenba, tonsil na chingba kaya laingbada kanaba piri. Thau si thakpadi yade. Akupa moral gidama contact taubiyo Sangbrai thau kyamgai maning laikai contact number 9366949811.
Welcome back. Thoubal Apunba Loop has said that PDS rice provided by the government for this month has been distributing to voters of Thoubal constituency. The remaining rice is now in the possession of Thoubal constituency nominee and that the rice distribution was done under consulting local clubs and agents. TAL President S. Ragumani told a press meet at Thoubal Achauba. During the COVID-19 lockdown, one Muhammad Salman Khan of Kwakta, Thongkong Ward number 8 distributed edible items to 10 selected poor families under Kwakta Gram Panchayat yesterday. Kadajit Youth Welfare Associated Club Wabgai, under the sponsorship of One Mayengbam Chandramani Meitei, distributed basic consumable goods to 402 households in Wabgai, Kadajit to ease the sufferings of the residents during the lockdown. On the other hand, Engtha Gram Panchayat Pradhan along with ward members distributed essential food items to several households under the Gram Panchayat. COVID-19 Relief Committee Mayang Imphal has been continuously extending help to families in Mayang Imphal since March 30. The committee, in collaboration with Golden Poly Club and Sedo Club Mayang Imphal Konchak Maka Lekai, distributed food items to residents yesterday. Member of Awangjiri Maninglaikai Ward number 7 under Yaro Bamdir Gram Panchayat and Awangziri Naharol Yaipa Club distributed essential commodities to the residents of Yaro Bamdir Gram Panchayat. The band appealed to the people not to venture outside during the COVID-19 lockdown. One Maisnam Romand of LLI Bisnupur Ward number 11 distributed edible items to 23 houses of the ward by maintaining social distancing norm. The items were distributed to both Manipuri and non-Manipuri residents. TOMTV has started a new program, Your Voice, Adomgi Konzel. Please express your grievances and issues through our channel. Send audio or video to our WhatsApp number 940-249-1494 or 841-587-5251 or 841-395-6065. 961-292-8757 or 811-90-80500 along with a copy of your Aadhaar card. Please mention your name and address properly. Be a citizen journalist to bring a change in the state. Get ready, be the first citizen journalist.
Manipur lockdown thamla isi yam kuire du bom pande gi changlak pasidi tok tari ngarangi date April date 6 ta Chochanpur gi nupi macha sang adu date 6 te yaura e sina kamai tawba kamai changlai ba pande gi bu changlak trade khoi gi state manung si dedi kaisu tawroi da bane ba ko chathok chachin taw pasi state manung ni dung function taw ba ya bani atai state atai de gi sungchang changlak tardi lockdown je dum hang ba su yar ba jani ba du changlak pasi tok da basi ne problem si.
Rasan card paiba miyoi singgi sarkar gi maikai digi mi amagi seng kilo manga phangkhre aduga card pai hodaba ekhoi buna phanghodre adubu tangjeng taido club na sinbiduna jum amada kilo mari di phangjare aduna hojik se sarkar gi maikai digi tangjeng gi praja miyam singbu masteng khajiktang pangbiyu haiduna TOMTV gi maikai digi phungdokjari.
Cats can become infected with the novel coronavirus, but dogs, pigs, chickens, and ducks are less vulnerable to COVID-19, according to a study published yesterday. As per reports, the study, which has been published in the website of the journal Science, has prompted the World Health Organization to investigate the transmission of the coronavirus between humans and animals. Researchers from prestigious academic institutions of China have carried out the study to find the susceptibility of COVID-19 to different kinds of animals so they can be efficiently used to test experimental vaccines to fight the coronavirus pandemic. Although there has been no strong evidence that pets can be carrier of the deadly virus, there have been some reported incidents of animals contracting the disease from humans. WHO yesterday said that it is working to find out in more detail about the role of pet animals in transmission of COVID-19. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Coronavirus in India. Lockdown likely to be extended. Prime Minister Modi suggests at all-party meeting. Biren backs extension of lockdown. Says prepared for consequences. Make COVID-19 test free, says Supreme Court. Government employees warned. to surrender National Food Security Act cards. The People's Chronicle. Chief Minister Biren moots extension of lockdown period. India records 773 new cases, 32 deaths, says Ministry. Ensure availability of essential goods, says Ministry of Home Affairs to states. Online classes for PG students begins. Extra classes for students of class 1 to 12 would be conducted during summer vacation, says Education Minister. Only Meiteis, Nagas are indigents. RIMS get 10 more ventilators, 4 tests negative. Imphal Free Press. Dhanamanjuri University, Manipur Technical University start online classes for PG students. Lockdown extension essential to control COVID-19 pandemic, says Chief Minister N. Biren Singh. 10 new ventilators installed at RIMS. Civil voluntary organizations permitted to buy food grains directly from FCI for relief operations. Miscreants rob school during lockdown.
Before we wind up, let's look at the top news headlines once again. Coronavirus cases in India rise to 5,734. 540 new patients, 17 deaths in 24 hours. And we'll have many body bags if we don't behave, says WHO chief on Trump's criticism. And with that, it's a wrap for this afternoon news edition. Thank you for joining us. Good day ahead.